how you turn this off. That thing.
Hey everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Today is my last day of this semester. I have an exam and a lab to do, and I am done for this semester. So I'll take you guys along with me. We are under a winter storm warning right now, so it's snowing pretty hard. It's pretty slippery out today. Hey guys, just got home from school. I got dressed for work, and I wish to be honest that today was not a good day. I went to school to do a lab and take an exam, and it ended up the lab took way too long, way longer than it should have, and I ended up not even having time to take the exam because my school closed early because of a snowstorm that's coming tonight. So I have to go back tomorrow or maybe even Monday to finish that, and that's like really pushing the deadline for this stuff. And then I left my lights on in my car, so then my car was dead when I went out to my car. So I get jumped by security. It sucked, but we're gonna head to work now. Hopefully I can make it there and make it home tonight through the snowstorm. So wish me luck, and I'll definitely take some clips for you guys. Hey guys, I got home from work not too long ago. The weather is pretty crazy out there. Work was pretty dead just because of the snowstorm, so not very many people were coming in to get food. So I got sent home early. But the snowstorm was still pretty bad. It's blowing. We're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches, which is it's a good sized storm. But my car did it really good, and I was pretty happy with it, to be honest. A lot better than I thought I was going to do. It got a little bit better. It wasn't so crappy, I guess, but I don't mind driving in the snow. I think it's kind of fun. So. But also on the way home, one of my headlights went out, so I'm going to have to replace one of those pretty soon. I'm so ready to just take the last exam and be done with this semester because it's been so stressful. But when it's all over and said and done, all the weight will be taken off my shoulders pretty much. College is very stressful, but I'm not going to try to bring negativity to the vlog. It's kind of hard sometimes, but I'm going to do my best. Hey, what are you doing? Oh. That was bad. Also, I think for Christmas I'm going to be getting some pretty cool camera gear that I think is really going to help step up the quality of the vlog. I'm pretty excited for it, so that should be pretty sick.
We're gonna lay down. Bye.